Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina. And today, January 29, it's a Chinese New Year. And ngayon din yung araw kung saan manonood ako ng concert ng Maroon 5. And actually, hindi maganda yung sistema ng aking buhay. Kasi look at my eyes. Actually, itong right eye ko is parang may pasa. And gantong-ganto yung pakiramdam ko nung nagkaroon ako ng kuliti. And sobrang kinakabahan ako. Parang gabi pa ako nag-hot compress. And sana hindi siya magtuloy or something. Sana malis siya agad. Pero ayun, I'm preparing na. Kasi luluwas din ako na maaga. Kasi baka traffic, kasi madaming tao sa MOA. Kasi nga Chinese New Year. So, samahan niyo ako. And first time ko yata mag-vlog ng concert yung pupuntahan ko sa 4 na concert na pinuntahan ko for the past years. And ayun, let's go. Bye. Around 11 a.m. umalis ako ng Bulacan. So, mga 12:30 or 1 ako nakarating dito sa Cubao Station ng MRT. And nag-load lang din ako nito. Hindi ko nakita, may map na palang ganyan sa may Gateway, Este Farmers. Pero ayan, nakasakay na ako ng MRT going to Taft Avenue. And pagdating ko dito sa Taft, bumaba lang ako dyan sa right side. Sumakay ako ng jeep papuntang MOA. So, ayan, nasa MOA na ako. Mabilis lang naman yung ride. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-taxi if ever. Tapos, pumasok ako sa mall. Tapos, nag-try ako mag-vlog. Pero nahihiya ako kasi sobrang daming tao. Tapos, eto, kumain ako sa Chowking. Sa dami ng pwedeng kainan. Dito ko napili kumain kasi meron silang alfresco sa labas. Alfresco ba yung tawag doon? Basta meron sila sa labas. Tapos, doon na lang ako kumain kasi wala ding masyadong tao. Unlike sa mga nadaanan kong fast food chain like Jollibee and McDo. Ang daming tao. Tapos, ayan lang, nag-chow fan lang ako. So, nasa MOA ako today. And manonood ako ng concert ng Maroon 5 like I've said sa intro ko. And nasa MOA na nga ako. Tapos walang kasama. Guys, parang nung nanood ako ng All-Star Game na, mag-isa lang din ako. Pero nung pauwi ako, may kasama ako. Pero alas 3 pa lang kasi, alas 5 daw magpapapasok doon sa gate. Kasi 7 p.m. yung start ng concert. And hopefully, makapag-book ako ng Grab. Tinignan ko yung presyo ng Grab. Like, uy, ang mahal. 500 yata. 500 plus o 600. Pero hindi ko alam kung medyo bababa yan later kasi maaga pa and traffic sa EDSA. So, ayun. Dito ako sa may tapat ng Chowking kasi kumain ako. Hindi na ako kakain mamaya but ayun, medyo nahihiya ako yung social anxiety ko dito. So, ayun, try ko mag-vlog mamaya ulit. Bye. Pinakataas. Hi sa vlog. Bakit sarado? Hala. Nakakatakot bumaba. Uy. Let's say 21. Tama ba? Dito pala ako. Ay, saan yung 21? Doon. D.
Ito dito. Doon pa yung 21 na malamang.
Eh kasi 19 yung nandun eh.
19 eh. Baka doon. Ay, oo nga, doon. Dito ka eh.
Teka, titingnan ko po. Okay. Okay. It's currently siguro mga 5:30 na. Hindi ko makita yung relo ko. Pero, taas. Guys, tingnan nyo.
I have a question for you. You think you can do me this favor? Everybody who's here, not standing here, you guys are doing great. Everybody who's sitting down, stand up! Thank you. Don't you feel better? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are Maroon 5. Hello. It's so good to be back. We know that here in the Philippines, you guys are the best singers. The best. Nobody sings louder at a Maroon 5 concert than here in Manila. When we play here. So let me hear you. wonderful people, and that's why we love coming here so much. Because you sing with us, and you experience the same joy that we experience when we play. This man PJ right here, he has a lot of albums on his own. Please go buy all of his records. He is amazing. We love him so much. So much. Mr. PJ Morton! So sing with me. Sunday morning, Vegas morning. I need your help now. You know this one. Sing it as loud as you can with me. Can you do that? I'm at a place trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where the time's gone, getting so long. Where are the plans we made for two? I know I said it before. All of my bridges were down. I wasted my nights. You turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed. Still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sunset said times have we lost? And the memories bring back. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Memories bring back you. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Memories bring back you. Oh yeah, thank you guys, man, that's awesome. This is a very important song to the band, and honestly, we love singing this song every night because to each and every one of you guys, the song means something totally different. And I think you're lucky to have a song like that. You know what I mean? It doesn't mean the same thing to any one individual person. We've all lost somebody before. This song is about someone that was very special to us. And I think about him every single day. But I especially think about him when we sing this song. And we love it when you sing it with us. So please sing it with us. Let's fill this room with melody right now, okay? Can you do that? Cheers to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. No can take it. Every place I go reminds me of it. Do you think of me? What I used to be? Is it better now that I'm not so now? But nothing's changed. Something I don't make. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? I don't wanna know, no. Say you but now you're so. When I used to love you, no, I don't wanna know. I know you're inside, you feel so hollow. And it's a hard pill for your sorrow. Yeah. I fall for you. I never recover. I fall for you. I'll never be the same.
How you guys doing? Be alright? I think this is my favorite song to sing. It's called She Will Be Loved.